motor does it have?
Jeremy just looked at that. Actually, I wasn't sure. He said it was a 60 size. It's a real gentle flyer, though. And it's big enough my old man eyes can actually see it in the sky.
You know what? That's what I like about it. It sure can. It's a nice airplane.
You want to give it a shot?
No, sir.
Come on, man. What better way to...
I want to leave on a good...
That's what I can say. What better way to end your last trip here than crashing a plane for me?
You know I'm not going to do that.
You know I need some room in the hangar, man. I think I am going to post about a half a dozen planes up for sale. I'm going to trim them down and stick to just the ones I really like.
Jim said if he were to move like I'm moving, he would just sell out and start over.
Yeah, I think there's a point to that.
I think he's right. After having to pack them all up, and I went through, not exaggerating, about $60 worth of bubble.
Oh, wow.
We found a guy online that sells it at a pretty good.
Now, did you just put them, take like wings off and put them in a box and stuff?
Wings off, wheels off, props off.
Huh.
Wrapped the fuselages in bubble wrap, and when it looked like I needed to, I took the rear stabilizer off.
What moving company did you use?
Using a company by the name of Zen. It's a
Zen.
national company.
Huh.
But they're out of Daytona, Florida. So.
Did you get insurance on them and stuff like that? On your household goods?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
But the planes I'm taking in a trailer.
Oh, well, then you got it made then.
Planes and plants.
Oh, you could have put them in with the household goods, and you know they're going to trash it and crash it. That would have gave you a chance to start them over. But at least pack the ones that you don't like in there.
Yeah. Well, I broke your cardinal rule. Don't get too attached to them.
Yeah. All of them have an expiration date.
Yeah. One of mine had 47 seconds expiration date.
Which one was that?
T28.
Oh yeah, that's right. That was that E-Flight one. I didn't get to see that. That's still fixable though.
Oh yeah, it is. Mike was out here and he's looking down on his cell phone or something. He's looking back at me. He said, "I lost it." I said, "It's in the ground."
I don't mean to be laughing at it, but I mean that's
it was
funny. Yeah.
It was funny. I said it didn't respond. It didn't respond. And of course, it did respond. That's why it was in the ground.
Did you check it? Was the ailerons reversed or anything?
No, I flew it right in the ground.
Well, what's that saying? Don't always crash, but when I do, I drive that sucker in like a fence post.
I did. Fortunately, it was after a rain, so that flies great.
Yeah, it's a very gentle flyer. You're not going to do anything crazy with it, but and even with a 60 size motor, it's still not fast. I mean, like right there is high speed.
So I took off to the north, and it was really squirrely. And I said, I'm going to land this thing. I brought it around to land going to the north.
Right. I guess we better get out of the takeoff zone.
Then I overcorrected on the approach, and then overcorrected again, and that brought it way back around behind us.
Oh, I envisioned where you was describing it. You took off and it immediately rolled over and barreled in. You made a circuit with it.
Hit right about where Mike is, just down where he's standing.
Huh.
It was my fault. I'm going back through my thoughts. I think I accidentally bound it
Right.
to not have safe. The more I'm thinking about it, I think I left. I got to go back and look, but I bet you that bind plug is still sitting there.
Landon, anybody back there?
No, sir. We're good. Clear. Look at that.
Man, I forgot this thing floats forever. See how the motor stopped?
Well, that was sweet. Oh, that's sweet.
It's got a brake on the ESC. I keep forgetting to fix that.
Okay, go see the commander.